Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Wrike. All right. First up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on More. Click on it. Now click on Dashboards. Wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, if you want to, you can go ahead and add a section. For example, create another section right here. And you can just go ahead and click on Add Widget. All right. You have a ton of templates right here. For example, this one. I'm going to go back to main. And here, I'm going to click on the plus sign and add a section if I want to. Under change layout, just click on it. If you want vertical layout, go and select it. And here's what it looks like. If you want to add in some parameters, right here, click on the drop down. We have assignee location and impact. For example, I'm going to click on location right here and hit on add. And it's now in here. I'm going to add in some more. For example, click on the plus sign, drop down assignee, add right here. When I click on it, I can just be able to select my account itself or invite someone via email. Another parameter right here, I'm going to click on the plus sign, drop down and impact, hit on add, click on it, and you have low, medium, or high. Okay. Now, if you want to share it, just click on share, add the people by name or email, and you can just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and select the permission or roles. Once that's done, just hit on save. If you want to give the public link, click on public link, create public link, hit on continue. There you go. Just hit on copy and send it wherever you want. If you want to record some password, click on this one, copy the password. You can't change it. You can just go ahead and view it. Okay. Copy and send. And if you want to export a soft copy, just go ahead and click on three dots and hit on export to PDF. I'm going to select landscape, 100% scaling. Hit on export. And it says here, do not close this browser. It might take some time to download. There you go. A download page will pop up. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Hit on save. It says here, download complete. When I open it up right here, here's our dashboard. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.